Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBot F101 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, the switcher turned gray. That means that autofill is definitely off. But you can always switch it on by hitting the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!